Hey guys, Christina here from The Main Objective, and thanks for coming back for part 2 of the ultimate showdown between All About Curls and DevaCurl. As my leave-in on both sides, I'm using the rinse out conditioner. So that means for All About Curls, I'm using the Daily Cream Conditioner again, and for DevaCurl, that is the One Condition again. But this video right here is all about the creams and the gels and how they perform on my hair. So let's get right to it. So because you guys have seen me style God knows how many 50-11 wash and goes, I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on the technique because that hasn't changed. You can check the video in the description box below for how I use the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush to do all of that. But what I want to focus on here is the results. And so far, because the back half of my hair tends to have a looser texture, the results are practically identical on each side. But it doesn't stay that way for long. So as we start moving into those sections of my hair that are lower in porosity, a little more coarse, and a little tighter in texture, you will definitely see some performance difference on the DevaCurl side. I know that section right behind where I'm currently styling looks like I haven't done anything to it yet, but that has styling cream and gel already in it. And as you guys can see, I'm not going skimpy on the products. I'm definitely laying it on thick like I do in every single wash and go that I ever do, because that's the only way to work in my hair is with a buttload of product. But as you can see, the further we get into it, there are some definite performance differences, and even how the product applies and how it looks as soon as it's worked through my strands. So I will definitely say that going into it at this point, I kind of had a feeling that the All About Curl side was going to look a lot better when it dried than the DevaCurl side. My thing was, I just had no idea how much better it was going to look. And these are my wet results on the All About Curl side. And these are the wet results on the DevaCurl side. And all right, y'all. Let me pull it together. So as you can see, there's a clear difference between the outcome of my hair based upon the section and the texture and the type, the porosity, all that kind of good stuff. Those under layers look amazing on the DevaCurl side, but that top layer looks like I didn't put any product in it, and you guys definitely saw me do that. On the All About Curl side, however, I get more universal definition and hold throughout each unique texture and type of curl pattern that I have in my hair. And for reference, this is my hair fresh from under the dryer. No fluffing, no picking, no breaking gel cast, no nothing. This is straight from under the dryer, and these are the results. There is a clear winner here. I don't think I have to say it, but all right, that's it. I think the results kind of speak for themselves. I'm definitely riding with All About Curls. Their products are available at any Sally Beauty store and on the Sally Beauty website. They're a lot more affordable. They work better. I mean, what else can I really say? But if you're interested in a full breakdown of ingredients and other points of comparison against DevaCurl, head over to the blog, that's mainobjective.com, or click the link in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I will see you in the next one very soon.